Yeah, I'm getting loads of knocks here too.
Fish on. Oh, fish on. Fish off.
Yeah. We did?
A little one.
Little what?
Little, whatever they are doing there. That little, I cannot feel it.
Pouting!
Little horrible little thing.
Put it on as a live bait, man. Put it on as a ling bait.
Hey, that's a blanco, what?
Aye. For the boat, but not me. Stick a bright one on. Stick a bright lure on.
Right one.
No, I was gonna go for that one. Go for that
Where
one.
have you been getting heats from? You buying them?
Alan made them.
They're kind of heats, mine are like
I got the weedless hooks.
Hey, hunting.
The Robala lad. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
What about the metal? You'll hammer them on the
Fish.
metal.
Somebody's just.
What? Hammered you?
It's coming up with this. I think it's a mackerel.
Mackerel.
Ooh, hang on a minute. Ah, it's a mackerel. The mackerel chased us down. Oh, there's a shoal of them following us. Oh, there, he's off. Just popped the hook. Aye.
Fish.
Fish on! Hey! I was just letting that hang.
It seems a better one to go. Unless it's a big putin.
No, this isn't a pouting. Cod this.
Cod.
Cod!
Are you sure?
The only thing when you're in 100 feet. It's a long way down.
Yeah.
There he is.
It's buddy.
Come back.
Yeah, cuddling.
Cuddling. I am off the blank. Hey, I'm off the blank. Hello, me one. I'm set from the screen, loopy. And we are off the blank at Beadnell. Not the Fawns, Beadnell. Trying somewhere new. So watch this space. Fish! Oh!
That was an
Aye, 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 aye. Seems half decent, this.
Is it? Keep it like.
Quite possibly.
Keep it.
Might have to put the jog out here if it's wind against tide. Because otherwise the gear will be ripping away from where.
Can't you rear away now?
It's a cod this, because he's just
Kid.
deed white.
Kid?
Aye. Me ting-ting's not tinging.
I've got to wait. Yeah, I can see him.
Bubbles.
Yeah, keep it anyway, nice keeper. Fresh and all, isn't he?
Yes! That's nice, 3.5. Look at that. Flippin' holes in his gob. There you are. That's on that reef we're just going over. Literally on it. Big on! Davey's into a fish.
Maybe keep it as well.
There's a few short actually.
Yeah, it's getting lighter. See come up. It's right in the middle of the inputs there, do you see that? What was that flipper?
Yeah, you can do better than that. What?
You reckon? Put him back.
Fish on! I must.
Put him back.
Yeah.
Do
Do better than that.
mate.
You do better than that.
Right.
Yes.
I hope so.
My ting's not tinging, and he's having a right old drag on.
What do you mean, the ting?
The drag, the thingy pings over.
Oh, the Matto just said it's on the way to stop the speed.
It's right next to one of my pins now. He's bigger than the one before, slightly.
Yeah,
He's bigger. Hey, hey! 2 fish, 2 drops.
3 fish. I'll just put one back. Yeah, what is this?
He's got north. Fish on!
Oh,
Fish on!
what, straight up and down now again?
Aye, I know. This might be the biggest so far.
I'll see.
Yeah, it might be the biggest of the day so far. He's got his drog out. There's fish showing. Alright. Anything with 100 feet of water takes forever. How many fish do you need today?
Just have to do nothing, mate. Forget a lure, you know.
There he is. Oh, he's fouled just a little. Thought it was bigger. Boo.
Golden by the Bailey.
There he goes. That is a decent fish shot.
Spin the boat then.
I'm spinning the boat, right?
Fine, that's fine.
Where's he taking me?
Ling. Feeling a dinger?
This is curious, this one. Ooh. But dead weight, this. Proper dead weight.
Is it?
Aye.
You might have him by the back or something.
I think I've got him. Flies!
Ah, hello, aren't they? You've got him crawling all over you.
Yeah, I have. It's a. Ah. Fish on anyway. Oh, there you are. I see a shadow.
Ooh. I think he's going to the belly, I think.
No.
Hey?
No, it's in his gob. Yes, sir. Come to that.
He's not as big as I thought.
Not as big.
Oh, he's not really. Any?
Fish on. Get a photo of this beastie.
Oh, mate.
Fish on. Fish on. Same as before. Yes.
Bang.
Not as big. But it's a fish all the same. He was away from the boat, so I didn't see him on the fish finder. Get in. I won't be fished out, I'll be chucking them back at this rate.
You just put the bogey on it.
Me ting's not tinging, it might be bigger than I thought.
Kinky.
It's still not tinging.
I think it's
is. Oh, it's foul, just a little in.
Is it Polar?
Yeah, it's foul. Ah, poor thing.
I like in the green one, are they?
Yeah, they are. Bright colour. Just a little in. Fish on while I'm busy taffing on with my phone.
What's he on? He's a keeper. No. Skeleton sorted out, Sam.
Oh, yes. Can you manage? Bigger than mine?
Can it be?
Aye.
Guess what he's on?
The lure. That's bigger than mine.
That's not bigger than yours.
He's not far away. After nearly a couple of hours, we've got a fish.
Might have to get my hands on the gills of this now, aye.
Why?
The traces is
Short.
no, I'm not. I've had the bottom a couple of times.
Oh, right.
I might have scuffed that bit, you know. Decent fish, you keep it anyway.
Maybe two.
Where? What's happened before?
There's fish showing again. You manage or do you want me to lean over or what?
Not that big, is it?
Big enough. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, lad. Just like this.
It's a fish all the
It's a
same.
bass.
Fish
My
on.
kingdom. My kingdom for a pass, it may be off.
No,
It's that little.
the scrappy one.
Yeah, I think it's one of them school eyes.
Yeah.
Knee decent fish, he's wriggling all the time, so it's one of them little puttons, isn't it?
Pooting.
Aye, puttons.
I think you need a heavier lead on, to be honest.
Okay, I was trying to take some threes for this. So I
Aye.
put like a 6 and a 3 on together.
No, it's not. It's a curdling.
It's a linger. See you soon. Well done, what he hit me.
Ah, you see. Fish on. Oh, it doesn't count.
Ooh.
You managing?
Yeah.
Sure.
Pussy.
I'll just stay up just in case.
Hit me there, I thought I'd have it then. Same tune, cut your thing. Are you water?
Yeah, I'm with the water just in case.
Coming up, can you see me?
Yeah. There he is.
Not very big, is it?
It is. It's decent bait. Keep on.
2.5 ton anyway.
2.5, I would say that's 3. We'll do it for the camera. Yaha. There you are, you see?
Not
You manager. It's off. Is it?
no, it's not. bird do it because I was pulling that way. It's not very big, like.
It's a fish all the same. Fish! Fish on! Both ways.
At the same time.
Yep. Oh, there you are. Something shown on the screen now.
Have a look.
Switch your camera on and two up come up together.
He's whapped and whapped and whapped and whapped. Whapped, wounded. It's a coddy lake.
Right. Feels like a coddy. There he is.
Nice lake.
So is this one. Ah, yeah, get off.
What's he doing, man?
Well, I didn't know.
What?
He wasn't going to come off.
Well, that's very nice getting two fish there. Yeah.
Nah, he's going to.
Yeah, he's size, man.
Give out, I can do better than that.
Right, just do better than that.
Like that.
Well,
Yeah, lad.
no.
For several moves and few hours, getting fish. Watch this space.
Oh, I got you this thing.
Yes!
Son of a bitch.
Oh no, I'm off.
Oh! It's not as big as I thought. No, it is mine.
Aye.
God, he wanted it.
Spinning the boat. You're stopping the drift. I'm nearly up vertical.
No, very big.
It's a fish all the same.
That's a flash. Doing you dab.
Ah.
I can't believe that. He hit me like that.
Yep.
He felt bigger than that, mate.
Loads of fish. Hurry up and get back to. Fish on!
Is it big in or little yet?
Me ting's not tinging.
Looks a canny old
Pollock.
Huh?
He's having a right old rag on here.
Aye, maybe a Pollock. Wallach.
Took a few goes at it, like.
Did he?
Aye. Oh, it's a cod. This. He's gone deed. Deed with. Oh, hello. Hang on, hang on. Coming into the wreck here, Davey. Watch yourself.
I've just felt it before that.
Been a while. Again. Where the hell are you going?
Ooh. Decent one.
Aye.
He's just got a little lip hook there, mate.
Tiny hooksies. Oh, like that.
Aye. That was lucky. That was. Wasn't that?
Tis a fish on.
Fishy Aussie.
Yeah. Quite pleased for him.
On the level. Yep. Knocking. Huh?
I am knocking. That's a pollock. That has to be a pollock.
Has to be, innit? Has to be a Pollock, that.
Yeah. Feels like a pollock. Has to be a pollock.
Yeah, well. You knew that's Pollock not in the boat, didn't you?
Fish on! It doesn't count. Me ting's not tinging. Yep.
He's taking line. Yeah, Pollock. Oh, he's a nice one now.
Very nice pollock.
Got him by there.
Get in!
Pollock.
Oh, it's on the outside now.
Oh, that's one of the hooks I got stuck on my finger.
Pollock! And for once the sun's in the right way. I don't know, like. Ah, it is, there it is. That's a joy. It's a flipping.
Is it?
It's a tiny little joy mackerel.
Oh, it is now, isn't it?
Fish on!
Meow!
Spinning the boat with your gear.
Not very big, like, but
It's a fish all the same.
I don't know if it's one of them googlers, I'm not sure. Fighting a little bit harder.
Cutting my finger. Up, up, up. It's mackerel again. Oh, ew. Is it? I have a fish on, and I don't know what it'll be.
It's curry waddy waddy, yeah, curry waddy waddy.
And guess what it's on? Yeah, metal.
Metal.
What? This isn't a mackerel.
You're not getting him, no, on your bike, you little rot bag.
It is a mackerel. It's a big mackerel.
He's quite a big in him, like, isn't he?
Fish.
The bottom.
Just moving back and forwards out of the wreck here. Waiting for the tide to turn. Few drifts, few moves.
Let it move.
Oh, hi. Well, that's us done. Tide's turned, time's getting on, time to go. Feeding all done again, had a good day. So, we'll see you on another one. I'm gonna head in. See you again.